Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can fix your consent required on Instagram. So if you're facing this problem, then basically Instagram thinks that somebody's trying to hack into your account. And this problem only occurs when you or somebody else tries to log into your account again and again. And if you type your Instagram password wrong multiple times, it's going to show you this. Now to fix the issue, first thing you can do is go inside your phone setting, and from over here you want to go on general. From over here you want to click on where it says iPhone storage and just scroll a bit down until you see Instagram. Alright, so I'll let it load for some time, and once the loading is complete I will search for Instagram and I will click on Instagram, click on offload app and click on offload app. Once Instagram app is offloaded, it's going to ask us to reinstall. So I will click on reinstall app and my Instagram should reinstall. Once the process is complete, I should be able to open my Instagram and use it. And if I'm not able to use it again, then what I need to do is click on my Safari browser, and on my Safari browser go to Instagram website login. Once you search for Instagram website login, I need to click on login over here. And it's going to take me to Instagram login page. Now from over here I need to log in into Instagram website. I'm going to enter my username and password and log in into my Instagram account. You guys also do that. Now once you log in into your Instagram on the browser, from over here you want to go inside your setting and turn on two-factor authentication. So click on your profile picture at the bottom right and it's going to take you to your Instagram profile. Over here click on the setting icon at the top left. Once you're inside setting, you can see this option called privacy and security. Click on it, and from over here what you can do is scroll a bit down and click on edit two-factor authentication setting and turn on your two-factor authentication from there. After you do that, try to log in into your Instagram using the app. Your problem should be fixed. That's how to fix your consent required on Instagram problem. Hit the subscribe to our channel How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time.